Hi everybody. It's the day for the drawing. Yesterday was the cutoff date for my 1,000 Subbie giveaway. And as you know, there was lots and lots of ways to win. Every time someone made a comment, they got one share. If they shared one entry, if they shared, it was 2 entries. If they sent me a handmade postcard, it was 3 entries. And if they made a video response about it, that making the postcard, it was 5 entries. So let's see, that's 8, 9, 10, 11 easy entries if you did all 4 things. And so what I did, every time somebody made an entry, I had these little sheets of paper, and every entry they did, every time I got a postcard, it was 5 or 3, etc. But I wrote your name down like this. We're using my name. Okay, and then this morning I sat and cut these little pieces all up like so. And then I folded them and folded them in thirds, and they were tinned up this little tiny pieces. So what I now have is a nice sack full of little tiny pieces. As you can see, I waited till this morning to cut them all up because I didn't want to take a chance. Oh dear, one fell out. I'm losing one. So now we're going to draw one. Yay! And the winner is... It's Mitz Zee! That's Mindy Bromsky, guys. Yay, Mindy! Mindy just won the giveaway. Yay! Okay, I will get in touch with Mindy. I'm pretty sure I already have her address from the Painting Paper Swap. And yay, Mindy! You got a box coming out in the next day or two. It's packed and ready to go. I just don't want to make a special trip to the post office for it. So, guys, I'm so glad you have been here. If you're new to my channel and you haven't subscribed, I sure hope you do. Let's read a creativity quote, because we always read a creativity quote. This is from the 1001 Ways to Creativity. And this says, frustration kills creativity. Relax and allow your creative thoughts to flow. Oh, great. Have a great day, guys. Mindy, congratulations. I will talk to you all very soon. Bye-bye.